No matter where you go or what you do, an embedded system is helping you, serving you, protecting you. Embedded systems are computer components which interface with and control mechanical and electrical systems. They often rely on sensors like an airbag in a car, or a human interface like pushing a button to perform a specific task. Unlike general-purpose computers which perform multiple tasks, embedded systems are designed to do a specific task. They can be large enough to run a factory assembly line or small enough to fit in your watch. And they can be found in every industry on the planet. A few examples: finance, defense, home appliances, computer electronics, automotive, business and manufacturing, medical. If you think mankind just couldn't develop another type of embedded system, think again. The outlook for the embedded system industry is bright and very